What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're gonna be making the Singapore Sling. This video is dedicated to one of my dad's friends, Jack, who's, this is one of his favorite drinks. So Jack, happy belated birthday. I hope you like this video. So happy birthday. Make sure to wish him a happy birthday down in the comments. So the Singapore Sling can be traced back all the way to the 1930s. These specs are from the Raffles House. I'm gonna do a little variation on this Raffles House spec, but the Raffles House claims to be the home of the Singapore Sling, where it originally came from. And like the Mai Tai, it has gone through many different variations and some say corruptions, adding grenadine, pineapple juice. So this is gonna be a very classic pre-World War I recipe for the Singapore Sling. So let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Cherry Heering or a cherry brandy of your choice. Make sure it's cherry liqueur or brandy and not maraschino, because those are completely different flavors. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Bénédictine. Again, this is proprietary, so there's really no substitute for it. We are gonna do 1/2 ounce of just brandy. I'm using Courvoisier VS Cognac. And then for our base spirit, 2 ounces of London dry gin. Just using Beefeater, can never go wrong with it. Now we're gonna add ice to our tin. We're gonna combine our tins and shake. Okay. So this is where it kind of differs. We are gonna be carbonating this concoction in our tin. So we're gonna just pour into our SodaStream bottle or whatever carbonation bottle that you use. Get everything there, okay. And full disclaimer, this does void your SodaStream warranty, but the SodaStream warranty says that you can only put water in these containers. I didn't know that. I thought you could just put the mixes and the water and then carbonate it, but no, you can't do that. So again, full disclaimer, this does void a SodaStream warranty. So we are just going to carbonate it. If you don't have a carbonation device, you just pour this over crushed ice and top with club soda, about 1.5 to 2 ounces of club soda. So we're gonna carbonate it. Another carbonation. Okay, so now while that's carbonated, we are gonna get our chilled glass and we're gonna fill it with crushed ice. And get a sprig of mint, give it a nice slap, stick it in there, stick our biodegradable straw in there, and there we have it, the Singapore Sling. Let's give it a sip. Oh, so good. So the notes of Bénédictine and the strong flavors of the Cherry Heering, it is really, really prevalent, and I really think that carbonating the cocktail itself, rather than adding club soda, really captures the, you know, the herbal notes of the Heering, gin, and the Bénédictine. It really fuses together really nicely. Oh, and another tip, the reason why we shook and then we poured it into our soda stream bottle is that when you have a cold liquid, it carbonates much better if the temperature is lower rather than room temperature. So you just want to make sure that you get your you know, your Singapore Sling when you're shaking nice and chilled, and the ice also adds a little bit of dilution, because since this does call for club soda, which is dilution, we try to get that with the ice from shaking. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, make sure to hit subscribe, and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Again, happy birthday, Jack. Hope you have a great one. Stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. Support your local bartenders. See you in the next one.